Honza really wanted to take out his videos a little bit out of garage. He bought a car which he didn't see. It's a BMW e90 330. Here and surprise him a little bit and film a few shots and spoil his new buy. Here it is. That's the car. You didn't see me yet, but this is the car. What they're now doing, they're putting BC coilovers. Nie mój.
I bought a new car. I think we need to test it a bit. So that's my new car. I hope we'll shoot something more cool than these snow skids.
Well, at least we gave it the first try. Are you happy with your new buy?
Oh yeah, it's just stupid loud, but we put it coilovers already, so I did 500 meters without coilovers. So yeah, I'm happy with that.
Okay, I hope you will see this car more in videos and more skids of it. See ya!
So this little puppy behind me needs a clutch and a timing belt. Snacks are important. Now I should go to the neutral timing position, which is this mark here, and I can disassemble it. The marks are here, the T. Okay, so it went by hand. This is the timing wheel. It's concave like this. Okay, let's loosen the tension on the tensioner. Anybody wants Toyota tensioner, original one, only 30k. How much is there? Come on. There are two drain holes on the block. Here and on the other side you apparently have to drain balls. Look at this fucker. Everywhere. Let me. There's this new paper gasket. I'm not sure I should be happy about it. It has the metal blades, so this one should last much longer. Transfer it from the old one to the new one using tape, and now let's put it back. So here. Let's rotate it twice so everything is on the marks, and then I put the tensioner and tighten this thing up. Okay, it's actually time for the plugs so I can easily rotate it through.
Done?
Yes, let's put some Thx on. Check we see. We don't mash it in here. Done. Goes like this, right? Let's do the clutch now. Next time we'll put it in the car and put the rear end all together and also plumb this puppy with the oiling system so we can move forward to the starting it up. So see ya! Just came to the garage and see what the fuck happened. Damn it, the engine fell down.